In his statement to Associated Press, two members of the Iraqi militant group, a three-night airstrike in eastern Syria on Saturday near a strategic border crossing with Iraq.He killed 6 militants with Iran. Strikes in the border region of Boukamal arrived hours after an umbrella group of Iran-backed Iranian militants, known as Islamic resistance. The militants said that 4 of those killed were from Lebanon's powerful Hezbollah group. The other 2 militants Syrian. They spoke on condition that they were not clean to talk to you. Meanwhile, Deir Ezzor 24, an activist collective covering news in the region, said that airstrikes have recently been stocked with rocket launchers and ammunition. And 2 militants said that they hit a weapon warehouse. Elsewhere, British-backed opposition war Syrian Human Rights Observatory. In addition to the weapon warehouse, strikes from Iraq to Syria and a militant convoy and Iran's paramilitary Revolutionary Guard was taking. He added that the strikes killed 9 people, 6 Syrians and 6 people from other nations. Washington did not comment on strike immediately, but after increased attacks in last 2 months, some of them were planned Iran-backed militia positions. President Joe Biden ordered the U.S. Army to strike to Iran-backed Iraqi groups after a rocket attack that wounded 3 U.S. troops. The increase in tension put Baghdad into a sensitive state. Throughout Iraqi border, Boukamal region in city of Deir Ezzor, Syria, has become a strategic area for Iranian-backed militants after it was taken back from extremist Islamic State group in 2019.